Looking for top-notch photography gear? Fujifilm cameras are known for their stunning image quality, sleek designs, and advanced features that suit both beginners and professionals. From mirrorless models to compact options, discover the best Fujifilm cameras that make capturing every moment effortless and beautiful. Starting at number 1, Fujifilm X-H2S Mirrorless Camera. Fujifilm X-H2S. Mirrorless Camera Body. Black is a pro-level APS-C mirrorless camera designed for both fast-action photography and advanced video work. It features a 26.1 MP stacked X-Trans 5 HS sensor, and Fujifilm's X Processor 5 for quick performance and excellent image quality. The camera delivers up to 40 FPS blackout-free continuous shooting, advanced autofocus with subject detection, in-body image stabilization up to 7 stops, and high-end video capabilities like 6.2K and 4K 120p recording. Number 2. Fujifilm X-H2 Mirrorless Camera. Fujifilm X-H2 Mirrorless Camera Body. Black is a high-resolution APS-C mirrorless camera built for photographers and videographers who want top image quality and creative flexibility. It packs a 40.2 MP X-Trans CMOS 5 sensor and X Processor 5 for detailed stills and powerful performance, along with 5-axis in-body image stabilization for sharp shots and 8K 30p video recording for cinematic footage. The camera also offers advanced autofocus with deep learning subject detection, a high-resolution electronic viewfinder, and a rugged, weather-sealed body designed for serious use. Number 3. Fujifilm X100 VY Digital Camera. The Fujifilm X100 VY digital camera. Black is a premium compact fixed-lens camera combining classic rangefinder styling with modern imaging power. It features a 40.2 MP APS-C X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor and X Processor 5 for sharp, detailed photos and smooth performance. Thanks to up to 6.0 stops of in-body image stabilization, a built-in 4-stop ND filter, and 20 film simulation modes, including Reala Ace, it's built for creative photography in many conditions. The camera also offers advanced video features like 6.2K/30p recording and a hybrid optical electronic viewfinder, all in a compact, stylish body ideal for street and travel photography. Number 4. Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 Instant Camera. The Fujifilm Instax Mini. Instant Camera Lilac Purple is a fun, easy-to-use instant film camera that instantly prints credit card-sized photos you can hold and share. It features automatic exposure and flash control for bright results and varied lighting, a built-in selfie close-up mode with parallax-corrected viewfinder, and a simple twist-to-power-on design that's perfect for quick snapshots and everyday memories. The compact, colorful body makes it a stylish choice for parties, travel, and creative photo fun. Number 5. Fujifilm X10 Digital Camera. The Fujifilm X10 12 MP EXR CMOS digital camera with f2.0 f2.8 4x optical zoom lens and 2.8-inch LCD is a premium high-end compact camera blending classic manual controls with modern imaging features. It uses a larger 2 to 3-inch 12 mm EXR CMOS sensor and a bright Fujinon 4x optical zoom lens 28 to 1 and 12 mm equivalent, with f2.0 to 2.8 aperture for sharp, vibrant photos in various lighting conditions. With a 2.8-inch high-contrast LCD, fast autofocus, continuous shooting up to 7 FPS, full HD 1080p video, and creative options like raw capture and film simulation modes, it's ideal for enthusiasts who want more control and quality in a compact body.